Do you want a more hygienic and efficient way to dry your hands? Introducing the automatic hand dryer. The smart device that can dry your hands in seconds with cold or hot air, the automatic hand dryer has many features that make it stand out from other hand dryers. It has an infrared sensor that detects your hands and activates the airflow without any contact. It has a noise reduction high-speed air duct that delivers a powerful and quiet stream of air. It has a cold and hot dual mode that lets you choose the temperature of the air according to your preference. The automatic hand dryer is also easy to use and maintain. It has a detachable drain tray that collects the water droplets from your hands and prevents them from dripping on the floor. You can easily remove the tray and empty it when needed. It also has a detachable filter component that filters out impurities such as dust and hair from the intake air. Keeping the outlet air clean and fresh, the automatic hand dryer is the perfect solution for your hand drying needs. It is fast, convenient, sanitary, and eco-friendly. Order yours today and enjoy the benefits of having dry hands in seconds.